Are you struggling to wear and remove contact lenses? Let Feel Good Contacts show you the right way. First, mark your lenses right and left. Next, thoroughly wash and dry your hands. Remove the lens and place it on the tip of your index finger. Make sure the lens is in the correct semicircle shape before you insert it. Check to make sure the lens has no tears or particles attached to it. Using both middle fingers, pull your eyelids apart. While maintaining a firm grip to prevent blinking, insert gently onto the coloured part of the eye. The lens will simply wrap around it. To ensure that the lens is correctly set in place, you may need to adjust it or gently rotate your eyes to settle the lens. Let go of your upper lid, then the lower lid. Don't worry if you don't get it at first, it's practice. If you drop the lens or it's drying out, use the solution in the container or rinse with contact lens solution. Never use water. To remove your lens, first thoroughly wash and dry your hands. Look at your eyeball and pull the lids apart with your middle fingers. Lower the lens and pinch gently to remove it. If you plan to store the lens, rinse and store in the case with contact lens solution. Now you know how to wear and remove your contact lenses, so visit us at feelgoodcontacts.com for your Feel Good lenses.